Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Sofi bank account online on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into our Sofi bank account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address sofi.com and hit on enter. And of that you'll be directed to this page where you can see there is a Sofi bank at the top of the Google list or the search engine of Google. Click on that and you'll be directed to the Sofi bank over here on this home page of Sofi bank. Now at the top right corner of the screen guys, you can see the login button available for us just beside the get started. Click on that login button, and over here guys you'll be required to enter your email address of your Sofi bank account, and over here enter your password with which you have created an account. What if you have forgotten your password guys, you can always retrieve it or reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be able to reset your Sofi account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Sofi account on your PC. And then guys, this is how to log into your Sofi account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.